Hi and welcome. Welcome to the Tiny Canal Cottage. My name is Whitney Leigh Morris. I'm a creative director and a small space lifestyle blogger and I guess Instagrammer, if that's a thing. Our house is under 400 square feet and located next to the canals in Venice Beach, California. I live and work here full time with my husband, Adam, our toddler, West, and our two very, very loud rescue beagles. And this little space is the guest bedroom, it is the living room, it is the dining room, it is a full-time office for a functioning and growing company, and we make it all work. This is our kitchen. We've got everything we need in this tiny little space. I don't cook. I'm a terrible cook, like awful cook. I might kill someone if I cook for them. So Adam cooks, which is great. And so every morning he makes a green smoothie, which our son West really loves. So I'll take you out to the porch. This is an 8-foot wide area that spans between two tiny houses. It's a bit of a play space. You can bring book baskets and toy baskets outside. And then we put up a little green wall instead of a little gate, because baby gates kind of make me sad. This is West's room. This is Adam. This is our senior puppy, Stanley. Since West is now a toddler and Adam is here during the day, full-time taking care of him, we wanted a great space for West and Adam to hang out when I'm working in the other house in the very fancy office that you saw. So yeah, little bedroom. This is the bathroom. There was this weird story circulating online that said we didn't have a bathroom, that maybe we had like an outhouse. It's not true, there's a bathroom. This house has been here since the 20s. It is great and little and wonderful, and we keep it simple. That's what we try to do here. We try to live really simply and keep it uncluttered, and that way we can focus on each other and our experiences. And most of the time it works. Not all the time, but most of the time. The bedroom, which is my favorite room. Such a tiny little space, but with the built-in bookshelf and the built-in beneath the bed, we have more than enough room. A little bit of bedside goodness, a little bit of crystal. Face roller, you need this at night. This is great, this helps me sleep. And then I love this stoop here because it leads to a little back garden, which feels like a little sanctuary. We got married here. We've had Adam's 40th birthday party here. We pulled a Cuban truck up to the back and opened up this gate, and we just had like a whole party with 60 people out here, and it actually really works. So that's it. That's the big tour of the tiny house. So glad you guys are here. Thank you so much for coming. The canals are right over there, and I hope you enjoy them. Thank you.